Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. In today's video we are going to be making some crystal fishnet leggings or stockings, whatever you want to call it. So I've been seeing it going around the internet for a while, so I decided to make my own. This is what it looks like. And all you're gonna need is some fishnets. I think I got like 6 of these. They came in a pack, 6 of them for probably $3 off Amazon or more, not sure. And I have some little crystals right here, very tiny. And I have my E60 glue and some other crystals that I got from other stuff. But yeah, so all we're gonna be doing is just gluing them onto the stockings. So let's get started. I know that this looks super weird, but it's gonna make it easier for when I start gluing it on. So all I did was just cut up some cardboard box, since I do order a lot of stuff offline. So I have some cardboard laying around, so I just put them inside the inside the tight, so that it'll be easier for when it's time for me to glue them on. Glue on the rhinestones. So all I'm gonna do is on every little X right here. It's all over both. For every little X where it meet up, all I'm gonna do is just put a little glue. Hold on. Just put a little glue right here. Oh, that's a lot, but then next thing, where's the crystal? I have my crystals right here. I'm gonna be using the big ones like this. Placing the crystal right on top. The crystals are very tiny, so I'm gonna need a lot. I use way too much glue, but that's basically what I'm doing. I'm gonna do it all over here. I'm gonna spread it out, and that's basically it.